Put yourself in our shoes. If you face discrimination in your life, we are young asylum seekers and refugees living in Wales, and we want to tell you about our experience and share our culture and thoughts with you.
Rowch eich hun yn ein sgidiau.
Hobych daw samede?
Đặt bạn vào vị trí của chúng tôi.
ضع نفسك في مكاني.
I had to leave because of the violence in my country. Traveling to Wales was a dangerous and it was a long and scary journey. Put yourself in my shoes.
كان يجب أن نقادر لكي نستطيع أن نعيش. لم يكن أمامنا خيار. لو كان لديك أطفال ألم تفعل نفس الشيء؟ لهذا السبب أنا هنا. ضع نفسك مكاني.
People laughed and asked why I covered my hair with a scarf. I said it was because I like it. Put yourself in my shoes.
I was mocked and humiliated because my English wasn't very good. They might have been kinder if they understood how it felt to be in a new country without speaking the language. Put yourselves in my shoes.
I went someone for advice, and they were so rude to me. I felt like crying. I didn't get the advice I needed. Put yourself in my shoes.
بعض المواطنين كانوا يحملون اللافتات تقول أرجعوا إلى بلدكم، وبعض الناس كانوا متعاطفين وداعمين للاجئين. حياتنا كانت في خطر. لا أحد يريد أن يترك عائلته إلا إذا كانت هناك أسباب لذلك. ضع نفسك في مكاني.
Put yourself in the shoes of a young asylum seeker. You've had to flee your home country for safety and move to a new country where you don't know the language, the culture, or anything.
When I arrived, I didn't know anyone, where to get help, or what I was entitled to. Some people shouted, "Go back to your own country," and say that we're here to get money and housing and steal your jobs. This isn't why we came. We came because we wanted to live.
I was in the worst condition I've ever been when I got here. I felt terrible. I was homeless, didn't speak much English, and didn't understand the asylum seeking process.
I was told by a member of the staff at college that I couldn't carry on my course. They said if I hadn't got my refugee status yet, then I wasn't going to. This wasn't true.
I felt lonely and broke. I felt like I was less than others, that I didn't have any rights, but now I feel like I have power. We are proud to be living in Wales and learning about the culture here, and we are also part of our culture and the things that are unique and special to us. By learning about one another, it helps us to understand each other better.
Kurdish and Arabic people are very animated and loud when they speak. It might come across like we're angry, but we're not. We celebrate Nowruz or New Year in the spring. We light fires and wear colorful clothes to celebrate.
نحترم كبار السن في ثقافتي ويجب أن نساعدهم.
We welcome people into our houses to eat when we meet them. Some may be cautious, but it is in our culture to share food.
We celebrate Ramadan for a month and don't eat or drink in the day. We pray and do good things. It would be great if people could share their culture with their class during celebrations like this.
The Moon Festival is a time that we give thanks to God and to our families. Often moon cakes are given to children.
Educating children early is important. They will learn not to feel scared or threatened by differences, to empathize and respect each other. This will help stop discrimination. We need to create sanctuaries where people feel safe and free from discrimination. We need organizations, education settings, and the nation to become a sanctuary for all, where differences are taught, understood, and celebrated.
The world is a diverse place. Whatever race, religion, age, gender you are, it doesn't matter. We are all one, and by working together, we can achieve something beautiful.
Put yourself in our shoes, and change can happen.